Hi, this is Carson from TCS, here to talk to you about a really fantastic feature you may not know about. The rotation feature is on all of our sound decoders and has been from day one. This feature allows you to change your decoder's horn, whistle, bell, chuff on the fly without any CV programming or audio assist. Let's go over the feature and inform you how this feature works. On our WOWSound decoders, the rotation feature by default is on function button 9. It can be remapped to other function buttons, but for this demonstration, we will stick with button 9. To rotate whistles, first, blow the whistle. Do this by using button 2 on your throttle. Then, when button 9 is pressed, you will hear a voice telling you the name of the currently selected whistle.
Norfolk and Western, single chime, long bell.
Press button 2 to hear the whistle. Now, to keep rotating through the selection of whistles, use button 9 again.
Norfolk and Western, single chime, short bell.
The whistles are in alphabetical order from A to Z.
Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe, reproduction, 6 chime. Baldwin, 3 chime. Baltimore and Ohio, 3 chime. Boston and Maine, 6 chime.
But if you change the direction for your locomotive on your throttle, it will go from Z to A.
Boston and Maine, 6 chime. Baltimore and Ohio, 3 chime. Baldwin, 3 chime. Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe, reproduction, 6 chime.
You can switch back and forth the rotation direction as many times as you want. Once you have rotated to the whistle you like, the decoder remembers that. There is no need to hit a save button. I just love the sound of these CD quality whistles. These are the best sounding decoder whistles that nobody else comes close to doing like TCS. If you would like to change the bell, simply press button 1 to ring the bell. The rotation feature will change to rotating the bells. Press button 9 and you'll hear a short sound of a bell. Once you have rotated to the bell you like, the decoder remembers that. There's no need to hit a save button. To change back to rotating whistles, simply press button 2 to blow the whistle, and the rotation feature will change back to rotating whistles.
Canadian National, 5 chime. Canadian Pacific, 5 chime. Cass Scenic Railway, Shea, number 5, whistle. Central New Jersey, 3 chime.
In our version 4.6 decoders, chuff sets have been included in the rotation feature. While the locomotive is moving, adjust the throttle slightly, then press button 9. This will change the chuff. This will work when the locomotive is stopped, but it is easier to hear the different chuffs while it's running. Once you have rotated to the chuff sound set you like, the decoder remembers that. There is no need to hit a save button. In our WOW diesel decoders, You can rotate the horn and the bell with button 9 just as we described above. A feature that is not included yet is rotation of prime movers, but they can easily be selected through audio assist. Blow the horn. Again, by pressing button 9, you will hear a voice telling you the name of the currently selected horn.
Handcuff air whistle. Leslie 125. Leslie 200 single note.
Now, to keep rotating through the selection of horns, use button 9 again. Remember that you can change the rotation direction by using the direction button on your throttle. As we described in the previous section, ringing the bell will change the rotation feature to rotating bells. Press button 9 to hear a short sound of a bell. Once you have rotated to the bell you like, the decoder remembers that. There's no need to hit a save button. Sometimes I like to get a little crazy with the bells just for fun. To change back to rotating horns, simply press button 2 to blow the horn, and the rotation feature will change back to rotating through the horns.
Handcuff air whistle.
Here is a helpful tip about our rotation feature. If you are looking for a particular sound but skipped past it, no worries. Simply change the locomotive direction on your throttle. Now the rotation of sounds is reversed. With this, you don't need to go through the whole list. This works with whistles, horns, bells, and chuffs. The rotation feature on our WOWSound decoders allows for super easy customization to fit your model. No programming or fiddling with CVs or even using audio assist. You don't even have to use a programming track. It's just that easy. This feature is included on all of our WOWSound decoders. To purchase your own WOWSound decoders and experience this feature for yourself, visit our website and click on the WOWSound category underneath the Products tab and see what features you're missing out on. Happy Rails to you, and thank you for watching.